Hello everyone, welcome to RJ Learning Fun. Here learning is always fun. There are three tenses in English: present, past and future. In order to show at what stage the action is, these tenses are subdivided into four heads, and these four heads are indefinite, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. So this way there are four types of present tense: present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. Today in this video, we will understand in detail about the present indefinite tense, also known as simple present tense, and also do a very interesting exercise. These are the four situations when we are going to use simple present tense. जो बात हमेशा सच है, like this example, Seema and Renu are girls. Situation that exists now and will go on indefinitely for general time, जो अभी भी है और थोड़े और टाइम तक ऐसी चलती रहेंगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही ऑलवेज कम्स हेयर ऑन संडेज, कि वो हमेशा संडेज को यहाँ आता है, तो आजकल भी आ रहा है और आगे भी आता रहेगा. आपकी हैबिट्स: आई गेट अप 6 एवरी मॉर्निंग. सो एट 6 मैं हर सुबह, एवरी मॉर्निंग आई एम गेटिंग अप, दिस इज माई हैबिट. And universal truth, like the sun rises in the east, this is a universal truth. Mark of identification: we may identify the tense of a sentence by the verb form used in it. Means if it is a first form of verb plus s or es, then we can say the sentence is in the present tense. But when we are asked to fill in the blanks with correct form of verb, we need to identify the tense, examining the adverbials of time used in the sentences. When the sentences contain the following adverbs of time, they are usually in the present indefinite tense. So students, remember, whenever you see the following adverbs of time in a sentence, then decide the particular sentence will be written in the present indefinite tense. And these adverbs of times are always, often, sometimes, usually, generally, frequently, seldom, rarely, never, regularly, daily, occasionally, every day, every night, every month, every year, etc. Or each day, each night, each month, each year, etc. On Sundays, on Mondays, on Tuesday, and so on. In the mornings, in the evenings, once a day, twice a day, once a week, twice a week, once a month, once a year, etc. So these adverbs of time are the mark of identification that a particular sentence will be written in the present indefinite tense. Chart of simple present tense. So this is present indefinite tense with the verb write. First is affirmative or simple sentence. Affirmative sentence in simple present tense are written with I, we, you and they. We only write the first form of verb, no s or es is added. But with he, she, it or singular subject, singular nouns, we use first form of verb plus s or es. Similarly, if you are changing or if you are making a negative sentence in the simple present tense, then you will use do or does as the helping verb. With I, we, you and they or plural subjects, you will use do not, and the first form of verb. With he, she, it or singular subject, you will use does not, and write will not have any s because this s is removed and this does is added in the negative sentence. Same is with interrogative form. We'll start with the helping verb do. Do I write? Do we write? Do you write? Do they write? But with he, she, it or singular subject, we will use does, and with does we will not use s in the verb. Does he write? Does she write? Does Ram write? And in negative interrogative sentences, we'll start the sentence with helping verb do. I not write. So this is interrogative and this is negative. Do we not write? Do you not write? Do they not write? And don't forget to put the question mark. Does he, she or Ram not write? Let's do exercise 1. Fill in the blanks with the verbs given in the bracket. Make changes if needed. Ratan usually dash up at 4 o'clock in the morning. Usually, adverb of time, usually means aksa. Get, with Ratan, it is a singular subject that we will use gets. Simple present tense, Ratan usually gets up at 4 o'clock in the morning. They often, aksar. They, plural subject, and with often we use simple present tense, and with they we will only use the first form of verb that is already given. So no s or es added. They often go to the movies. Number 3, the sun dash in the west. Universal truth, the sun singular, that's why s is added. The sun sets in the west. Every mother dash her children affectionately. Always true. Every mother, what every mother does? Loves. Mother singular, that's why loves, loves. Neeraj dash games regularly. Regular करता है वो. In the morning, simple present tense. With Neeraj, we will use plays. Neeraj, singular subject, that's why if subject is singular in simple present tense, verb is made singular by adding s. He, singular, dash milk before going to bed. It's his habit, taking milk, so he takes milk before going to bed. Those who dash always succeed. Those who always. With always we'll use simple present tense. Try. Those, plural, that's why try. Try. Birds. Usually, again always true, nest in the trees. Birds usually, birds plural, that's why we'll just use the first form of verb, no s or es added. Birds usually make nest in the trees. The Prime Minister dashed to our town on Thursday next. Fixed program, that's why with Prime Minister we'll use comes. Our brave soldiers, plural, always dash watchful eyes on the border. Keep, no s or es because soldiers, subject, plural. Now this exercise is for your home assignment. You can do this exercise and write your answers in the comment section. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of verb given in the brackets. But just one hint, this is the daily routine of a person, so all the fill up the blanks will be written in the simple present tense. And remember, in simple present tense we use first form of verb, and if the subject is he, she, it or singular noun, then you will use s or es form of the verb. So see you next time with another exercise. Till then, bye. Thank you.